And welcome back, YouTube. This is Booster Box Buster here with something pretty special today. I just received in the mail 10 Japanese Neo Discovery booster packs. I was so happy to receive them. I actually got them on eBay for a really good deal. The Japanese version has 20 different holos you can get, which is quite a bit. And there are a couple in particular that I really am hoping to get. There's one that's at the top of my list, and then two right after it, so... Alright, without further ado, let's crack right into this. And then there's one that I hope to avoid, but now that I said that, I'm sure I'm going to get like 3 of them. Alright, if it's the same as last time... Alright. The holo card is the first one? I don't know if it's the same, though I hope it is. Alright. Let's see, we got a really nice Corsola. I think that's like a fossil egg or mystery egg. Unknown F. Kabuto. Poliwag. Pineco. Hoppip. Oh, really, I really like that art on Weedle there. When I was a kid, I really didn't like this art. But as a grown-up, it's so nice. And a Larvitar. And the holo is... Doom. Oh, Kabutops. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Any doubles I get will be for trade. So if you see if I pull a double Kabutops, it's definitely up for trade. So you guys can make offers on any doubles that you see. All double commons and all double holos will be for trade. Alright. Put that aside. Let's take a guess. Probably Poliwrath will be the holo this time. Ooh, a really nice Almanite. Almastar, sorry, Almastar. What's his name? It's not Houndoom, it's Houndour, I think? Oh, really nice, really cute Iggly buff. Reminds me of the stage Pokefloats from Smash Bros. Hoppip, really like that. Spinarak. Oh, so adorable. That art is just so adorable in that Caterpie. Unknown I or L. What's his name? Its evolved form is Centrit. This is Hoppip? No, not Hoppip. I don't remember your name, I'm sorry. And, so awesome looking, Almastar. Armanite. Get those two mixed up. Poliwrath. Oh, yes, that was one of the 3 that I wanted most. Holo Umbreon. So awesome. Really like that. Well, that's one of the 3 holos down that I really wanted. Just to take a quick look at the pack here, we got a really nice, awesome looking trainer. Smeargle. Someone known in the background. And looks like a Scizor on the back. This was actually one of the smaller sets. Actually, I think it's like the third or fourth smallest set to be released. So I will probably get a lot of doubles, but they made the holo count really high. So, yeah. Oh, look at that Kakuna. So awesome. This is one of the very last packs that I ever really got as a kid. So, some of these are just bringing back so many memories. Oh, that Metapod. I really like that. So adorable. Eevee. Wooper? I think. Poliwag, so adorable. Spinarak. That Weedle. Dunsparce. and Mareep. Man, this art is just so awesome. Holo, I'm gonna stick with Poliwrath. Oh, another Kabutops. Well, that's for trade if anybody wants it. If anybody really likes this Kabutops, just make me an offer. Man, this art is just, in my opinion, just so awesome. Alright. Almastar. Metapod. Oh, that's one of those puzzles in the Unknown Temple that was really annoying. Sliding puzzles. Oh. Kabuto. Poliwag. Pineco. Spinarak. Weedle. Sorry, I do not remember your name. Okay, everybody take a guess. What's the holo? I'm guessing Poliwrath again. Yes, that's the second one that I wanted. 2 of the 3 can be crossed off. How lucky is that? Awesome, Espeon. Nice. That just leaves my number 1 that I wanted. It went number 1, and then Espeon, and then Umbreon. So awesome. What's your guys' favorite card from Neo Discovery? Or not Neo... Yeah, Neo Discovery? Yeah, Neo Discovery. So far, it's definitely Espeon. Well, I'll say it if I pull the card, but or I'll tell you at the end. We got Houndoom, Eevee. I think I pulled... Oh, Unknown U? Or U, I'm pretty sure. Wooper. Such an awesome Kabuto. That guy. Larvitar. Almanite. I really like that Almanite. And Mareep again. I think it's funny that Mareep's in this set, because I think there is no Ampharos in this set, so just kind of funny. Poliwrath again. I gotta be right sometime. Yes, I was right. An awesome looking Poliwrath, fighting version. Which is kind of funny because I don't know if there's a Poliwhirl in this set or not. So it's kind of funny to have a Poliwrath without a possible Poliwhirl. And as you could probably figure out, Smeargle is a holo in this set, and that's my guess for this pack. I don't know, it's just a guess. Not my favorite Pokemon. Oh, okay, nope, I was wrong. Poliwhirl right there. Awesome. That unknown puzzle again. Some sort of ray gun. I know it's not a ray gun, it's probably like a potion of some sort. But it looks like a yellow ray gun, doesn't it? Doesn't that look like a yellow ray gun? Kabuto. Poliwag. Oh, Teddy Ursa, so adorable. Is Ursa Ring a holo? I can't remember. If it is, that'd be a cool holo to get too. I'm sorry, I cannot remember your name. Almanite. And Mareep again. And the holo this time is... I guess Smeargle. Oh, Beedrill, okay. That's pretty cool, going old school there. I like that. Oh, only 4 packs left, guys. Ah, oh, so sad. Come on, I still haven't got my number 1 holo that I wanted. Will I pull it? I'll give you a hint, it's a Steel-type Pokemon. That should pretty much give it away, actually. Okay, it's out. Oh, there's Pupitar. And you could probably guess another holo in this set just because of this guy right here. Kakuna. Eevee. Unknown Eye. Teddiursa. Dunsparce. Once again, I think I pulled him in almost every pack. Almanite. And I think I pulled a lot of Reaps too. I guess it's Smeargle again. a duplicate Umbreon. Now this guy's going to be a little bit tougher to get because it is a more desirable card, and it's just such an awesome looking card. I am fine with having 2 Umbreons. Alright, 3 packs left to go. Let's see. So I pulled 5 different holos out of 20 possible so far. Let's see. What do I think it will be this time? Do I want to stick with Smeargle again? No, I think I'm going to change it up. I guess we'll be Tyranitar. Yeah, let's go big or go home. We got a really nice Almastar. That Fossil Egg again. Houndoom. The Poliwag. Really adorable. Pineco. Hoppip. Caterpie. Teddiursa. So adorable. And Almanite. I got a lot of Ammonites this set too. Is it Tyranitar? Am I correct? A third Umbreon. Oh no. I don't mind having 2, but 3 is getting a little bit excessive. Well, it's definitely going to be for trade now, so if anybody really likes Umbreon and wouldn't mind having a Japanese one, it's for trade. If you have any extra Japanese cards from this set or Neo Genesis, let me know. I'd definitely be willing to do a trade. Alright. Tyranitar again, that's my guess. Come on. Pupitar. Corsola. That really annoying puzzle. Wooper. Water pack this time. Well, it has some water on it. Weedle. That art is just so adorable. I really like it. Caterpie. Box of Energy. Teddiursa. Larvitar. Come on. Come on. Give me Larvitar, Pupitar, and Tyranitar in the same pack. Oh, another duplicate. No! It's duplicate central. I've only pulled 5 different holos out of 10 packs so far, or 9 packs. Well, if people want to trade, I'm definitely willing to trade. Maybe Poliwrath is somebody's favorite Pokemon and they really want to trade for it. I'm willing to trade for Whoa. Whoa, that is creased. What the heck happened to that last card? Jeez, that looks like it went through the wash. Look at that. Yeah, right there. Look at that. But that's the only that... Second packs, yeah, they're all like that. Hopefully the holo isn't affected. Let's take a look at the holo card. Okay, the holo card's not affected, but geez, all of them are... A lot of these are just destroyed. I wonder what happened. Almastar. Oh, by the way, my guess this time... Magnemite. Yes, there's a Holo Magnemite in this set, that's my guess. Wooper. Jeez. I can't think of your name right now. Kabuto. And the last few cards just got torn asunder. Pineco. Especially the last card. Last card's just done. Toasted. Spinarak. Okay, that one's not too bad, but the last two cards are just terrible. Dunsparce and... well, at least it's a guy that I got a ton of, so that's not too terrible. I'm going to leave those cards out to the side because I don't want to accidentally put them in my collection. Those cards I'll throw in for free for anybody. Yeah, even the holo card's just a tad warped at the top edge here. Well, anyway, what is it? Is it Magnemite? Oh, okay. That's not too terrible. It's a different one. It's Yanma, right? Yeah, just a little bit of warp. Are they all like that? Let me check. No, just that last pack. I don't know what happened with that last pack. Oh, that's too bad. But I did get him for a really good deal, so I guess there's that. But we got Yanma as our final holo. Let's do a quick recap of the holos. We got Yanma, really awesome. Poliwrath. Umbreon. Umbreon again. Beedrill. A second Poliwrath. An incredible looking Espeon. I really like that. Kabutops. Sorry. A third Umbreon. And a second Kabutops. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 different holos out of 10 packs. Not too terrible. Alright. Remember, all duplicates are for trade. This has been Booster Box Buster, opening up 10 Japanese Neo Discovery packs. Signing out.